Hello mga ka-All Talks! Ay, lingaw kayo ng atong episode karon kay sa tinuod lang ang atong guest ang nagpauso og Bisaya na content when it comes to financial education. Kunya nagsanga-sanga na siya sa lain. But hindi lang siya ang isa nato na guest diri karon sa All Talks of Life kay kauban po niya ang iyang life partner. Partner yun ni sila sa tanan. Well, kauban nato karon the founders of the present and the co-founders sa Milestone Realty and the other guys. Walang iba kundi si John and si Adi Ocampo.
Hello.
Yay!
Hello.
And thank you for saying yes despite of your busy schedule. Welcome to All Talks of Life.
Salamat kayo, Mike, for having us here.
Nga, nag-request yung ads na kauban ka, no? Because for me, kahit na we all know the present is John Ocampo, ako personally, kabalumanggod ko, naagyoy woman behind it. Di ba? Okay, start ta. First time ta ka na-meet sa coffee shop, sa Starbucks, sa Brisa, bata na bata kay tiguang naman ko, no? Dawato na ako na, no? This young kid na naka polo shirt o tatak sa iyang trabaho and giving out this calling card na transparent. Di ba? You were just starting to have the present at saka nag-start na og traction nato.
Yeah. So good pa lang man to. Tapos siguro naanay mga viewers, niabot na siguro mga 100,000 people following us. Pero yeah, I would say that bago lang to siya na butang. So dito ta nagkaila through that. So na-remember ko nimo because of the transparent na business cards.
Branding wise, you really have that na already in you.
Oh, imo ba tong idea na ano?
I don't know.
Abot basta murag
Dugay na kayo to.
dugay na kay to niya karon gani wala ang may business card, ang gawas karon kay murag airdrop na lang sa phone or ana na ang gawas pa.
Pero let's talk about your journey. Anong background ninyo individually? And why did you adapt and made sure na ito na yung profession ninyo?
Ladies first.
Just same lang. Same lang talaga kami ng background kasi magkasama kami sa lahat. Since college, same course, pagka-graduate, nag-start kami networking after high school pala. And then we went to college at the same course. And then we worked at a local agency as an intern and then employed me pagka 2013. And then I went into freelancing and then we started our own agency with 3 of our friends pagka September 2019 na. So mauto.
Which is our wedding month. No.
Yes. So maupo dito pag-start
Yes.
sa the other guys.
Yes.
Okay. So the other guys is you, Adi,
Si Maui, Keith, and si Philip, which is Davao Conyo.
So yun yung kanyang version ng story. Sa'yo, baka ibang version ng story mo.
The same kayo. The same kayo. So nagsugod mi high school, 4th year high school mi naging lovers. Pero dito mi nagsugod and then eventually pagka 15 man good me at that time. Tapos kapag 16 years old, I got myself into network marketing.
Gaskwela ka, nag-network marketing
Yes,
ka
but nag-transition to from 4th year high school tapos iba na ay college. So na 2 months sa summer dito mi nag-explore og
So
things.
instead of just finding a 2-month job, mauna
murag dito mi napadpad sa network marketing and then dito po ko naka-learn og ng mga public speaking, handling rejections, business, training programs, etc. Pagka 4th year or like 3rd year college na mo transitioning to 4th year, di ba naman ay OJT? Nag-intern me and then nautan na mi sa amo ang boss at that time kung pwede ba mag-part-time. So they thought about it and then they came back to us and said, sige, let's try it out. So the entire 4th year college na mo, nag-skwela mi. Kabalo ba ta 4th year college dira itong mga thesis o ganang marketing plan. Marketing. So dito nag-part-time ito. So, eventually after graduation, wala na kanang ingon nila na pahulay diretso.
I always say it na you're always counting the months of your anniversary. So, let's count it in months. Pila na mo ka months as lovers. So, look, ikalimtan na. Pero
I-calculate natin.
itong bagong minyo pa lang. Grabe ang months.
15 times.
15 times 12. 180 months.
180 months.
In total, since August maminaging.
As lovers. You were friends na in school.
Yeah,
ako.
friends.
Barkada, yun mo.
Daily food.
Ang story, maulang
Yeah.
Sige. Be. Mag-chismis na, mag-boy abunda tagamay diri. Who made the first move?
Ulaw man, Who made the first move? Murag ambot ang development lang man. Murag basically amigo me nagkailam itong first year high school. Pero wala naa siya na ako ana lang pero lahi jud mig worlds at that time nya katong pagka fourth year high school ambot lang unsay nahitabo. To nag-uban lang sa isa ka balay sa among isa ka friend. Tapos nagpedikabi padulong Torres Canto. And then wala lang dito na may text lang dito, no? Ano lang, dito siya nagsugod. Tapos, the rest is history.
Wala siyang label pa, it's MU.
MU niya.
Mutual understanding
Even
sa mga
before
hindi
that, kay
alam.
amigo ra jud.
Amigo lang.
Oo, nag-share ko sa iya. Naapod siya gina-share sa ko.
So
Pero wala
kumbaga,
siya.
you just simply click
Yeah.
and decided to ano sa ba na label it Maragana.
Yeah, mga 3 years in ata bago siya nag-ask kung pwede ba maging girlfriend.
Kanang official na jud na official ba with the label. Pero even the way we act, katong ano
Mura na mo mura na mo MU, mag-un.
Nagunggoy.
Okay, pero grabe no, tuloy-tuloy talaga. From the very start, para bang it's more of you being together in many ways.
Yes.
Na kanang similar kaayo mo.
Yeah, similar in some ways. Pero I think ang nagustuhan ko sa aming relationship is alam namin ang strengths ng isa't isa and ang weakness ng isa't isa. So for example, when dealing with clients, mas alam niya na siya dapat yun. Tapos ako, nasa back-end lang ako. Kung mag-front face in terms of video, siya talaga, hindi ako. So, kumbaga, balance sa aming dalawa.
Similar jud kay mo philosophies in life, like principles, the things that we believe in, like the values inana ba. Obviously pag skill sets lain-lain na. Pero at least murag unsa ang direction, unsa ang decision making process, which is a very important factor kay imo mga values, principles nimo. Similar me.
Kaya business-wise, it's working. Relationship-wise, it's working and it's expanding. Okay, atong tanong ko, giunsa ninyo paghuna-huna sa the present?
So unahon sa nato tong the present na name, ngano siya the present ngano dili dyan Ocampo or and things like that. So that is something na amo jud ginawna na. Unsa ba jud ang gwapo? Are we going to create a personal brand which is my name? Or are we going to create an entity brand which is kanang murag the present, no? So we decided to go with the present because eventually ang hunahuna man gud mo is basig nanay someone who's going to be part of the team wherein sila na pud ang magstorya pud sa videos pohon. And then, dili na po siya ako ang now. So, murag, inana siya ang isa ka way niya. And then, maybe eventually sell it as a brand also. Now, if we maabot ang panahon siguro na di man natong masulti na murag, maybe it's time. Char. No? Inana. Now, for the name itself po, it's really coming from the inspiration from Kung Fu Panda na movie, manggod. Which is katong na-mention biya ni Ugwe ba to? Basically, ang iyang gingon dito is that tomorrow is a mystery, yesterday is history, today is a gift. That's why it's called the present. So dito tapos nag-match po siya because ako ang gusto jud i-share is about business and finance. And we always have to be updated about it kay kung unsa ang finance sa una lahi na magay siya karon. Unsa business strategy sa una lahi na mabugay siya karon.
You need to be updated sa present.
Sa present. So mo pud tong inato. Then so murag inana siya ang point and then sa emotional side naman po.
Sa emotional side. Ay, bakit? Every time na emotional side.
May mga good bye. Ani mga good. Ako tong, when we were starting out, like at the age of 16, katong napadpad ko sa network marketing, gabi man good yun ang training. And then, ang isa sa mga thoughts na gina-share dun sa mga trainers ito is that you have to think about the future ba. So at that time, ako 16 pa lang ko at that time. So akong nauna is that, unsa akong gusto mahitabo sa akong life. By then, unsa ang mga achievements, unsa ang mga gusto nako himuon ba. So sobra nako na kahuna-huna kung aha mi padung nakalimtan nako unsa ang current, unsa ang present to a point na usay wala na koy oras iya na mga important dates like date nights, birthdays, wala mo ginataboy na ko siya tanan because it is a sacrifice ba na sige lang, balag dili na to nahimuon karon because in the future mahimo na to tanan natong gusto by then. Pero mo lagi, since we are still in the process, nalimta na to also live in the present ba?
Binakugon sa lang ni kanang puro seryoso lang ni si Jan. Pero unsa man dayon ni siya, no? Emotional man po dayon ni sa mga ads, no? When it comes to you. So, may hugot pala sa the present. Pero again, nasugdan na nato, namoy pangalan. Ngano Bisaya? English good ang the present. Ngano na Bisaya man.
Ang goal talaga niya is to share just daily videos. So every day, naglalabas kami ng videos, speaking English, kung ano lang nangyari sa kanyang day. But then, yung friend namin, si Philip, ko niya, he suggested na, pwede ba, try daw dyan na magbisaya ka. So, ang first video na pinalabas niya na Bisaya is yung bayari mo utang. Anong pobre manggihapon ko. Sorry. Anong pobre manggihapon ko. So, yun yung video na nag-click na Bisaya sa first. So, after nun, tuloy-tuloy na siya nagbisaya.
So, it was Philip Davao Conyo ang nag-encourage. Kasi, gishare niya yun kay tungod na siya traction sa Bisaya niya na ano.
Kauban maguna mo siya sa work before pod. Tapos, and then he always has this very creative mind ba. Tapos kato lang iyahang thought process yun na i-try lang. Ano kung sige, wag mo may mawala. Sige, try lang po na mo. And it worked. So,
yeah, pero it wasn't really the goal. Kaya ang goal lang niya is para masanay lang siya sa camera, masanay lang kanyang English, thought process, ganyan. Hanggang sa, yun ang nangyari.
Embracing the process ba? No. The reason why po ngano pud namo gisugdan ng the present is because I always wanted to have our own business ba. And then at that time, part-time biya to siya. And dito ta nag-meet katong ingon nimo na naapa ko'y logo diri because I was working for a company which is sa akong uncle. And sales, isa sa akong trabaho siya is sales. So nagaroute ako from Davao to Kapalong, to Tagum, masiasa ba? Basta within Davao area. And kato na time, instead na maminaw kog music, habang nag-drive, nagapaminaw kog audiobook. So, ana magud ko more on auditory ko na person ba kaysa kanang visual. So, nahitabo is nakapaminaw kog libro ni Gary Vaynerchuk. Ang title is Crush Gary Vay. Mao na iyang branding no. So, ang title sa book is Crush It. Turning your passion into profits is something like that through social media. So, katugi paminaw na nako. And then dito siya na buo. Tapos naka-share na siya dito na the moment na kay mga videos, expect na ka na mga tao mag-comment sa mong videos. Some are going to bash you. Some are going to appreciate you. Na uban na mag-message sa imuha. Na uban na makakuha kag deals. Ito, okay, ana-ana lang. Mindset-wise, murag na-prepare na ko. Pero katong nahitabo na, ay kapuya po di ani. Mag-message ka sa mga tao, mag-comment ka. And it's easier said than done ba? No? Pero kato, ay murag nalingaw mapag ko sa proseso and that's why siguro nagpadayon.
Ngayon, ang tanong ko sa inyo, kasi 'di ba may struggles man talaga. What is the biggest struggle na nadaanan ninyo in putting up the present, in putting up two other businesses?
Hindi kasi lahat for me na struggles is very deep. Ano ba yan? Parang I don't consider the struggles as a struggle. Kumbaga, I consider them as opportunities and to grow. So, yung path na, yung sa the present na path and sa pag-put up sa business na the other guys, I'd say na one of the challenges na I experience is when I decided to jump from corporate to being my own person or business. Kasi going from that corporate job, that I invested mga 6 years of my life there. Tapos, so I built the relationships with the bosses, with the different friends, ganyan. So, when I resigned, they told me that I couldn't make it out there on my own or I won't have any friends outside. Parang na-feel ko na nagagaslight ko ako because of what they said. So that was like one of the struggles that parang nag-hit sa akin or nag-push sa akin na. So I went out. So yun yung parang one of the things na highlight na aking struggle or na aking opportunity for me to become better outside. So, dun na yun, nag-start na kami my own freelancing. Tapos, pagka September nun, dun na nabuo yung the other guys.
Alam mo may struggles, alam mo may challenge, pero hindi mo na siya inantay that will go downward spiral. But you took it as a challenge to make it upward spiral. Di ba? And I like that attitude na paminsan Yun ang nagiging problema ng ibang young ones right now, that they stay in the moment na, kumbaga sabi nga nila na, actually, it's okay not to be okay, but just don't stay in the moment too long that you will be OA. Di ba? Drama ba? Di ba? So, very nice. Swerte mo ba eh? Swerte mo. Buti na lang. Kaya ka pala na in love kay Adi.
Since similar lagi mi og ka na experience, ang common man gud sa amuha bay is ang mga sakit ginatrato na most motivation ba. Kanang mga butang na ginaingon sa mua na negative or even mga positive. Well, sa ako ang perspective is kung nakaingon na dautan sa ako, dawaton ako na as a motivation to be better. No? I'm not trying to prove you wrong. Bahala ka sa una-una nimo, basta ako is kampante ko sa ako ang kinabuhi na gusto po nako. As long as wala po ko ginadautan lain tao, wala ko ginatamakan lain tao. Kung naapoy mga words of affirmation, yung kuyawan nimo ba yun? I mean, dawato na to, pero dili po na ko siya gina-sink in bito kayo kay basig mo na manggod na to is kuyaw na kayta. So kung pag kuyaw na kayta, lain na po ni mo ang asta, mura na kakinsa, which is dili po ko ganani na so, sakto lang. Kung na negative things, dawato na to motivation. Kung na mga positive things, dawato na to as motivation. Ana. So that's a common thing sa mga na more on using that ba as our murag motivation, inspiration to do it. But karon ba, honest to goodness lang yun. Since na naman tadiri, naka-live man yun ish. No? Is, na ako'y mga phases, dili dyan ako siya ma-pinpoint when exactly it happens. Pero kapila na ni siya, na kanang kalit lang kung ma-sad ba. Kalit lang kung ma-depress. Pero finances-wise, we're doing okay. Investments, we're doing okay. Business is doing okay. Family is okay. Relationship wala problema. Pero kalit lang dyan kung kanang wakoy gana mo trabaho, di ko gana mo hawas katre. Ana ba eh? So na yung mga siya ang makakitaan na. Like di ko ganahan makipag-interact with people, na mag-chat sa mga GC. So matubag ko pero para lang mahuman ba. Tapos I don't like to hang out with even the people, mga butang na gusto na ko himuon, dili na ko ganado na himuon to. For that particular moment in time.
Like your motivational switch is off.
Oh, bro. Nawa na.
Okay. And that process adds, what role do you play every time makita ni mo siya?
All Talks of Life would like to thank Cacao Culture, Spread Love for Philippine Chocolates, Ken Howell Multimedia Services, Cool Smiles Dental Clinic, Changing Smiles, Changing Lives, and Vibe Multimedia.
And that process adds, what role do you play every time makita ni mo siya?
Usually kasi when their partners go in that kind of situation, parang mag-iwas siya sa mga tao or hindi siya mag-reply, hindi siya maayos kausap, people would nag sa person na yun. So what I did was, kinayaan ko lang siya maging ganyan, then I let other people talk to him about life ba or ganyan. So yung business partners namin, sila aking pinapakausap sa kanya para lang ma-pull out siya sa hole na yan. And at the same time, I suggested na break, beach ba or mag-travel ba para lang malabas ka good sa comfort zone mo for a while. Parang ganun.
It's nice to have somebody to pull you up by now.
Exactly.
And diba, to pull you up. And everybody goes to that. Normal siya ba? And we have different coping mechanism. Every now and then you will question yourself. But I guess
exactly.
if you know your purpose and mission, you will always be guided. And speaking of purpose and mission, the present is here for educational purpose. Pero ano ba yung deeper mission ng the present?
Well, ang purpose statement na Char. Okay, naman na ang lagi kay Simon Sinek sa iyang Golden Circle and Start with Why, di ba? Which is a really, really good topic, mga that. Every time we start a business, kay hunaw-naon na to, automatically is how do we make money out of it? Which is tama man pud kay negosyo is dapat ina naman jud. Pero deeper than that is that ngano nimo siya ginahimo, di ba? So in this case, ang mo adjud is to ang purpose statement, para simplified version niya, is that to inspire people to live a meaningful life ba. So, ngano meaningful ang nakabutang kay lain-lain kita manggutana na realize na po na ako when I have conversations with different people. I really like to listen to people. Kana sa social media, it's a platform for me to share. Pero when I hang out with people, bahalag kung kinsa ka, ay mangutana ko mostly sa imuhang kaagi ana, tapos from that I understand your thought process, but dili ko mo bara sa imuha kung dili ko yun. Maminaw lang ko sa imuha with the intention to understand. Wa ko dili ko mo reply, no? Unless kung mangutana ka. Tama ba niya ako ang thought process? Then dira ako mo share. So dara na ko na realize ba na when having conversations is that kanya-kanyang tao lahi-lahi jud sila way of seeing life ba. Lahi-lahi sila og mga gusto sa kinabuhi. Nay uban moingon sila, mapahuman na nako akong anak sa eskwela, fulfilled na kay sila. Wala sila ilabot sa travel, wala sila ilabot sa kwarta, basta sila lang is matagaan nila nindot na panginabuhi ang ilahang anak pinaagi sa edukasyon. That's very deep for them. As obviously kani parent ni siya at gustorya. Now po iba na gusto jud mo dato. Ngano gusto mo dato kay hilas man siya. Kay kanang gusto mo palit og ginani nga gamit, gusto mo ginani nga gamit. Ngano man na nimo gusto ba? Wala lang kay ganahan. Ang iyahang meaning of success is for people to perceive na dato siya. So ano ko, okay. So inana po siya. Ako dili ana, pero inana siya. So ako isabton ako. Napoy uban na lain po nilang way na gusto sila maka-travel. Bahalag wala kay sila savings. Basta makabiyahe lang kay they want to to see the world, di ba? Okay, ang kwarta, let's say by the ang permanente nila ingon, lahi ang feeling mo biyahe kag 20 anyos kapin compared to 40 kapin na ka. Oh, just okay, that makes sense also. So, lain-lain ba? So might as well para sa imo ang importante is as you are living on this earth ba. Kaya nang nabuhi ka isat ganahan ba ka? Happy ba ka sa imo ang panginabuhi kay kung dili so murag sayang ang imuhang purpose o ngano ka na adere. So mo na ang sa the present is kani amo is share me about finance and business kay mo na amo ang style. But at the end of the day mo na nagapangutana jud ko sa question sa last part of the video nag-ask with me unsa inyong thoughts about this particular topic. Kay kung ganahan ka good, kung di ka ganahan then good imuha man na. So murag imuha man ang life so live your own. Ana siya among thoughts. So murag that's really the purpose of it. Muna na mas uban na yung one mo bash. Which is, by the way, dili din na kadaghan atong mga bash.
Wala dili kayo, wala kayo
more on
kumikita.
pasalamat man ang ilang ingon. Napoy uban na nagbash sa una
na na-convert na.
Oo, nabali. At that time, na-realize sila na lahi po di ilahang ano. So kana, more on sharing lang tapos basta live your own life. Ano siya?
Ikaw, Ads, you have like the present, the other guys, and Milestone Realty. Ano pang gustong mga next na gustong maabot ni Adi?
Yung typical na gusto ng mga tao, sariling bahay, family, yun lang. Okay naman ako. Maka-travel, maka-financial freedom, ganyan. I mean, sa questions mo is nakasat if you're fulfilled with the life that you have now. Because yes, I am fulfilled naman with the life. Pero there's always more, which is yun nga, yung business growth, family, and the house. Yun lang. Simple lang naman ang gusto namin sa buhay.
Ano yung sa papa ni Slater, di ba? You should be satisfied with the small things.
Kasi I believe in that. Alam mo bakit? Kung matuto ka ng maging satisfied or contented in the small things, ibig sabihin, ready ka nang tumanggap ng bigger. And that the abundance lies there. Because if you are not prepared, ang heart mo, you will fail big time. Lahat naman tayo nag-fail eh. Pero yung failure na big time, iba yun eh. Di ba? Kasi hindi ka nakinig eh. Hindi ka ready, hindi ka prepared. And then, a young age, you are very inspirational. Inspirational kayo mundo ha. Kini ang akong next na pangutana. Di ba? Sulti ka, you're always sharing financial lessons na may life lessons. Top 3 principles.
Ang first principle for me is, di ba, ang common saying is bloom where you're planted. Sa akin naman is, you have to check kung if the soil is fertilized or yung ganun ba. If you're planted in the right soil, you're watered daily, you have the proper sunlight. Kasi when our previous bosses told us to bloom where we are currently now, it felt like na parang hindi tama na root or na soil ang nasan ako. So which leads me to the second principle is sabi nila na to quit when you're winning or quit while you're ahead. Sa akin kasi is you don't have to be afraid to quit, especially if your heart is not in the right place anymore. Or parang feeling mo na hindi ka na nag-grow. So yun yung parang you have to take these two quotes or ano ba tawag niya? Quote, principles light to heart, lightly or with a grain of salt kasi if you just stick to those, parang mahirap sa'yo to grow out and to move from your comfort zone. So yun yung top 2 for me. Top 2 muna. Ikaw na yung iba.
Tulog, mga pangayo. Isod kayo, matagkante.
Kasi paminsan once I ask something very positive, sa kanya it's the other way. Because maybe of your experience, di ba? So you need to check. Yun yung you need to check. Tapos I like the second principle. You know why? It's about knowing when to quit.
Yeah.
Knowing when to say no and stop. And Jan, you will agree with this. Kadalasan when you're investing, ang mga tao very tutok sa gain na kahit natalo sila, ibubuhos na nila lahat, mauubos na lahat ng kanilang mga finances because they want to win. Kay di na sila kabalo, kanus-a sila mukwit. And di ba cut loss? And quitting is not a failure 100% all the time. It's just knowing that today is not your day. Di ba? And tomorrow or the next day would be the day you're going to be in the podium. Di ba?
Kung lugi, stop.
Bubalik ko dito sa ikatulo. Napakay utang sa ako, ha? Ikaw.
Ako, sige. Tulo. So, ang first one siguro is that we all need, di man all need siguro. Personally, adjust your actions based on your ambition.
Adjust your
Actions based on your ambition. So, usahay magod kanila lagi usahay magipagstuleta sa mga tao. Kuya kay mga pangandoy, gusto ko balay na dako. Gusto ko maka-travel, gusto ko magkaroon og negosyo na mo earn og 7 digits a month. Karon, mo na yung gusto. Unsa ginahimo nimo karon? Wala. Higda lang ko tanaw kog Netflix intiro adlaw na. Wa may ingon lagi nila, libre lang mangarap. Tinuod, pero kung gusto man gud nimo ma-achieve ang mga pangandoy ni Miss Kinabuhi, kinahanglan ka mo take action Ba, kaning mga pangandoy nato, it costs money. Yes, that's true. But in order for you to get the money, you need to be of value. So kung unsa nimo pag-value kung wa po kay ginahimo. Una ang saying na kung ganan is that you do not deserve what you want, you deserve what you do. So based sa imong actions, mo na ingon nila pag once nag-take action magud ka, mas magiging swerte ka Because nakita man na murag naanay agi ning tawhanan ni seryoso ni tawhanan ni dili na siya magyaga-yaga. So therefore, tagaan kag more opportunities because masaligan ka. Dili porket ganahan ka sa isa ka butang, tagaan ka just because ganahan ka. So that's one. Adjust your actions based on your ambition. And of course, ang second is going back to the purpose statement nato is that live a meaningful life, no? So, based sa imuha, unsa ba ang meaning ana? Kaya may uban ko na gina-instill sa imo na dapat kortahan ka, dapat dato ka, dapat na kay negosyo para ma-achieve nimo ang imong mga pangandoy sa kinabuhi niya. Wala sa kabalo na kaning tawhanan ni lain di iyang gusto. Lain di iyang meaning of a meaningful life ana ba? Kana pod usahay, dili pod makatubag ang tao ana, lost sila because they don't even know unsa pod ilang gusto. No? So, again, mao na pod na. So, kailangan ikaw you explore para makarealize ka na, mas ganahan ko ani. Dili man ka makabalo kung lami ba ang manok kung ani tilawog manok. So the same thing with life ba.
So go out and explore.
Just from that, dala na kami na, di ko ganahan ani. Pero mas ganahan ko ani. So diri ka pa, ana man na siya. And lastly, na di ko sure kung principle ba ni or philosophy ba ni, but this is something na ako ang na-learn from isa sa ko ang godfather, isa sa ninong nako, which is a very successful businessman. And I only had one serious interaction with him ba. Pero nadyo siya isa ka statement na iyang giingon na di jud nako malimtan and verbatim inani iyang giingon. There will come a point in your life where you will have a lot of money and you don't know what to do with it. So what's the point of having more? And this guy is very wealthy, like negosyo daghan. Tapos yung kag mga dagko bali naa. Coming from him na makasulti inana, makaingon ka, money is only a tool ba? And this guy is helping a lot of people, no? Through charities, through employment. Kay obviously kung wala kay negosyo na naghatag ka og trabaho sa mga tao. So kung wala kay negosyo, wala kay mga trabahante na pwede mo tagaan ng sweldo para sila po mabuhi sila. So, dara na ito makita na ang kwarta is a good thing. Depende lang jud sa imong paggamit.
Gwapo tong tulo ka principles nimo. Where do you see the present 5 years from now?
Ang common ako na ginatubag jud is when it comes to future planning or asa siya direction is that kung unsa mong naa karon padayon siya, definitely. So it's either dapat maging better siya, dili siya mo deteriorate. Dapat maging better siya. In terms of like inspiring people pa to live a meaningful life, we're thinking of books. That's one platform na pwede na mo siya magamit because not all mga tao kay ganahan maminaw sa mga videos because they are more into visual learning, which is kana books. And then maabot po ang point na when we conduct trainings and seminars, it's going to be like a free one. Karon man god is we need to charge for a certain thing, especially pang mga live events kaya na may cost involved. Diba? The revenue, etc., food pa nila. And dili biya na barato, no? So, yes, maabot man god sa point na kaya na mo siya i-sponsor tanan. Pero of course, we also have to think of it na unsa pod ang business effect niya. So maybe in the future maabot ang panahon na maka-sponsor tag mga butang, and then kaning mga tao na makatuon, it may be through our videos, it may be through the sessions, mga webinars or seminars o unsa ba sa mga books na sila na pud ang mupasa ana sa ilahang mga pamilya, sa ilahang anak, sa ilang ginikanan, sa ilang barkada na bay kung magbiyahe ta, dili ta pwede mangutang para mo biyahe. Magtigom sa tagkwarta bago ta mo biyahe. Kanang sila na ba makadiscuss sa sila gina because naanay thought na na-implant sa ilaha through the things that we do, no? So, ano lang man ba, more on enjoying life responsibly. Dili kay irresponsible kay tanan, lipay ka karon ya pag uli nimo Pilipinas, yaw na pugan, trabaho na pud ugma tungod kay nakay bayron ng utang diri, nakay bayron ng utang dito kay ana ba nang mabutang. So kato siya. Marag ang iyahang future thing. Padayon kung say naa, add more resources na pwede and padayon.
Ikaw, you want to add to that? Kay Adi gud pa. You want to add to that?
I think ang wala ko nasabi, I think is before we wanted to build financial education centers for people na kailangan kasi it's not being taught in school, so you have to create a center for it or a platform for it na doon nila matutunan so that their families can openly talk about money. That's one. And another one is parang maging silent investor in small businesses. Yan ang one of the main goals.
Parang Shark Tank ba?
Pitch kayo.
In other words, it's helping them also.
Yeah.
Kasi you know the struggle of building one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually. Okay. This would, well, dungag na ako. Namagoy uban ng mga negosyo na kanang lahi jud magsugod kag negosyo na wa kay kwarta. Which is that's something that we're also proud of because kaning mga negosyo na namo karon is nagsugod mi sa zero na capital jud, zero sales ana ba. Namagoy uban ng mga negosyante na they also have that advantage na agri libro called unfair advantage wherein ang naa sila access to funds. It may be coming from their parents, sa ilang mga negosyo. So life is easier sa ilaha for them. Pero dili po porket pasabot na kay capital automatic maging successful ka sa negosyo. Okay? Kung di ka kabalo mag-manage, malugi mo po siya. So if ever we're going to do that, hopefully, puhon. Again, di mangguna itong masulting pa na, pero puhon in God's time, kung mahitabo na siya, kanang dira jud ang educational platform na how do you really start from scratch ba? Kung naa kay funding madawat, that's a bonus thing. Pero kung wala, mo maguna ang mo na ang lisod eh. Kung wala jud kay funding from the get-go.
Eto na lang. Kasi I think naman, yes, there are struggles in your life, but with each other, you are helping each other find your way up ba? Because you found each other and you have each other. Ano yung words of thank you na gusto nyo isasabi sa isa't isa?
Tama na, 5 years na tayo kasal next month. So, renewal of vows.
This month, not to
Ay,
September.
this month, September na. I guess, thank you for helping me become aware of who I want to be and who I want to become. Kumbaga, I thank you for your patience sa aking mga gastos.
Kaya naman na. Aling kama po kagimuha.
Thank you for for being there to support me kung ano yung gusto ko and ano yung kung anong gusto ko and nakikinig talaga siya kung ano yung gusto kong mangyari in life, in money and in anything, kumbaga, in business. And then my promise is to stay there. My promise is to continue to be there with you kung no matter what challenges you're experiencing. If you're happy or sad, I'll be there for you. So, yeah. Thank you.
So, thick and thin. Okay ko nila.
Jan.
Okay. Lawa niya I-post din, no?
Hindi man, i-highlight pa lang natin.
Sige. So, ako definitely, I'm grateful sa imuhang very critical thinker na una sa skill sets. So, sa skill sets ka na, critical thinking and your technical side of things. Okay. Mo na imong strengths, no? So kung ako sa front, ikaw dito permanent na sa likod. And ako apod is I thank you for being my inspiration, motivation. Okay, para to do better in life. Obviously, naman jud ko mga butang gusto na ko himuon, pero lain po siya if I'm sharing it with someone. And that is you. Okay. Okay. Also, thank you for being my sounding board. Obviously, kana na yung mga panahon na murag puya na tapos gusto lang ka magpahungaw. And I really don't, wa man ko nag-share dyan sa ubang tao. Una aman, gamay ra kayo ilang ma-experience, pero more on sa imo jud ang kabalo jud ka sa story and things like that, ang hugot. And it feels good na ako'y maduulan ba every day, every hour, every minute, every second. Okay? Okay. Tapos ang promise is promise to be a good husband, partner in life, business man na siya or life. And I will always support kung sa imuhang direction. Yes, tinuod lang, okay ra na ay panahon na gasto, pero okay ra na. Okay, sometimes we have to spend lagi to enjoy the moment.
Enjoy the present.
Enjoy the present, ana ba? Di man puta angin magsige lang tagdaginot, kailangan puta enjoy responsibly. Total naka-budget man na siya. Okay ra na. So, ayun. Love you.
Hi guys, this is another side of the present. Kay kadalasan, most of the time, you are sharing, di ba? But thank you for sharing the lighter side of Jan Ocampo and Adi. Kaya nga sabi ko kay Jan na sama ka kasi alam ko it's gonna be a more fun conversation. And salamat kay at a very young age, you are responsibly enjoying life. Diba? Thank you for being here in All Talks of Life. Guys, isa lang, line. Enjoy life responsibly. Look at them. They're enjoying life. They have each other. And there are a lot of reason to be happy in the present. Thank you for joining All Talks of Life. Bye!